And we're going to make sure that this second material is on this one. And we're going to switch this base material to should that off. I'm going to go into here. All these, and I want to set up these. So let's set this here, and here is our base. Oh, great. So I'll start adding stuff. And in this case, because I'm not using a mask, I'm just going to use this base color. Made. So we'll set that there. And now we've got emissive, and I don't have any emissive pieces, so I'm just going to throw this one there for now. Metallic map. Where's my metallic map? There. Normal map. And in this case, I'm just going to use the regular normal version too. And then my roughness file. And I'm going to turn off emissive. So I'm just going to set the brightness to 0. And turn metallic up to 1, using a map for it. Roughness I might turn down a little bit. Maybe like 0.6. Maybe it's 1. Maybe like 1.5. I don't know if it's a plant. Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, so these are set up. Your textures and materials. So let's go ahead and save everything. Save all. That's just cleaning this up a little bit. Cool. So now I'll make a character item. CI. Call it iron. Go. Open it up. And we'll just set this to skeletal animal. Skeletal mesh animal. Set this to Brian. We got Brian. Let's look for skull. There it is. We're going to use version 1 for this one. Set it to, I'll just set it to unique. You set it to common, head full if you want. Shouldn't matter too much, I don't believe. Item position, set that to head. Now I usually copy the name here, and then I right click, create customize character. I just add a seed from this. I'm at sign it, or you can search it. This is where you can start putting in colors and stuff. I'm not going to do that just yet. Well, this one's the mass version, so maybe I will. Um, yeah, we'll do that in just a moment. Let's get this set up. So there's that version. Now I'm going to copy this one, and we'll just call this one too. That works. And we'll grab the number 2 version. Save. And we're gonna duplicate this one. Right? And that's number 2 also, but it doesn't automatically inherit. It's not gonna switch to number 2 in here, so make sure that's set. And for this one, it's gonna be non-customizable, so there's no point um, doing anything fancy. But here we go. Let's do like the little baby fancy stuff. We're gonna make it colorable. So we've got our item colors. So this is the materials that you'll be using. In this case, I only have one material. So we'll go to wherever I put my mouse. I'm with my materials and all in the I don't know what that. Let's rename this folder to mats. All right, whatever, capital, I guess. Let's drop this into here. All right, so we're going to grab this first material. We're going to go ahead and drop its name down here, and we're going to search for it here. So first step done. Now we're going to go down to instance colors, and we have 4 for the overrides. So I don't know if you have to use all of them. I'm pretty sure you don't, but as a matter of caution, I use all of them because it doesn't hurt. All right, so I'm gonna go to that material, right? And I'm just gonna click on this hex, copy it, Control C, and set it up for color one. Drop, drop it in. Okay. The same thing for each of them. I wish I could just drag the color over or use the color wheel, but it doesn't seem to work like that. At least not in this version. Okay, cool. Once that's set, you're going to go to your color indices, and you can pick all 4 of them if you have 4. And basically, if they're set to private, you can't select them. They're not going to show up on your little selection of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for colors and customization. So pick which one of these is the one that's going to be colorable. And in this case, I'm making them all colorable, so we'll go ahead and, or maybe I won't make the black one colorable. What does black change? Much. Did that not change anything? Let's make the black one not colorable. So this one, we'll keep it a private. We'll make this one 0. Make this one 1. This one 2. So there'll only be 2 colors, and the black will stay the same. We won't be able to let the user change those colors. All right. And then you also want to make sure your instance index matches whatever material instance you're in. So this is the first material, it's 0. So your instance should be 0. All right. If you wanted to change any specific things about a material, you can. You would go into your parameters here, your scalar parameters. I could type in metallic. I would write it here, and then I would set whatever I want it to be. So I could say metallic and you can set it to 1. So it'd be super metallic just for the CCI or whatever. So like if you have a gold version of your suit, you can just go in here and just up the metallic and you're done. Like it's just a new CCI you made. And now because these are your index colors where it's going to be picked from, we're going to grab those. But in this case, I don't need all 4. I just need the ones I'm coloring. So 0, 1, and 2. So we'll grab it. Okay. And I don't think you need the index colors down here, but I'm going to do them anyways.